Today I'll be talking about thermodynamics, specifically the expansion of a hot gas within a heat engine. Here we have a Stirling engine and a cup of hot water as the heat source. Upon placing the engine on top of the water, the gas below the piston in this compartment here will expand from the heat, pushing the piston upward and driving the wheel. The wheel will then push the piston back down in the second half of the cycle, moving the hot air to the cool side of the engine, this top plate here. Upon reaching the cool side, the air will contract, become denser, and then move to the bottom because denser air tends to sink. Upon reaching the bottom again, the air will re-expand from the heat from the water, pushing the piston back up and driving the engine into another cycle. Overall, the engine translates the heat from the water into mechanical motion and torque. It'll keep going like this for quite some time. Still going.